Sunday morning, December the 7th, I was up ready to go to church, all dressed, and then all of a sudden everything changed. 7:54, 344 planes came over, and that was the beginning of World War II. We went down to Hickam Field, which adjoins Pearl Harbor, but you couldn't get close. Just death and destruction. The whole place was on fire, smoke, the harbor exploded. Hickam Field was a big bomber base, so that was a good target for them, you know. Couldn't do a thing, so we went back up Schofield and prepared, you know, for future operations. After we went back, we got our equipment, and then we went to several different places up like Diamond Head, and we were building gun mounts. We had a bunch of 155s, which were the big ones, and they could shoot 15, 20 miles because they could traverse all the way around with no problem, just push a button. Because it was automated, they would do that, even during that period of time.